Hi, today these are in this video some summer garden ideas. Summer garden ideas, very attractive summer garden ideas are there. Summer is the season when we want to sit outside, when we want to enjoy the outside, and sitting in the garden in summer is really nice feeling. So if we make a bit change, a bit like put some aesthetic items in garden, like the same very table on which we have the tea or dinner or lunch, whatever. If we decorate it in different way, or if we put few elements which add the beauty of the scenery, then it can become a great experience to be there in the garden in summer. So here in this video I am sharing some of the ideas which could be adopted, which can help to make a garden dinner or garden lunch or garden tea time fun as well as so beautiful experience. So here are the summer garden ideas. So I hope you will like them, and I hope they will help you to make your evenings, make your tea time beautiful. Here, whoever have like decorated these things and whoever have captured these pictures, they have done really amazing job, like in a very beautiful way. The pictures are captured, and the way they have decorated, that is great. So great credit goes to all of them, all of the photographers, whoever they are, and whoever have like make these decorations. But I am just sharing it for you people. Thank you.